Hello friends, welcome back to another session on SAP CPI. Maybe this is the last session in this overview topic. So let's start. Today we are going to see what is the subscription model and how is the cost and licensing part of CPI. Okay, let's move on. See here, CPA cost and licensing. So it is one is trial, another one is consumption based pricing, this custom pricing, another one is subscription. We have both the options. We will try to explore. I also did not understand clearly. We will try to explore this today. See, I'm in that I have given the link. I'm in this link. So if I come here, pricing, if I click on this pricing and plan, here I have free trial. It's already you can sign up to this free trial as well. I'm already having free trial. I got this free trial long back. Maybe I'm not sure that is the one. Anyway, we will see the other option. Okay. See here, this is consumption based pricing. They have given complete what is there in this. Here I am trying to try out something. See here I have added some services. Okay. So total it is telling this much. Now I was just exploring. I have added this. I don't know how it works. See, I am already having platform integration. So it costed, see, there is a tenant, cost is this much, 600 euro, and this additional connection, it is added. I'll remove this additional connections. I'll try to remove this. Remove. New section, cloud platform integration. Add new section. So I'll just try to add some new services. Okay. This one I'm going to add. So close. So now it is see one more is going, one is another one got added here. So it is 400 euro plus per month. So together it will be this. So it is consumption. Depending on the consumption, you can select as many service as you want. And once it is done, then you can close it. Okay. Then another one, let me try this as well. This subscription based. I still need to explore these options as I have really practically have not purchased anything or not tried anything. Hyperledger Fabric from this is a free trial and MongoDB multi see this price is mentioned here. So guys, please go ahead and explore. If you have any information, you can share it in the comment box. If I get any information, I'll prepare a video or update you guys. So this all the price it is mentioned subscription per year. Okay. Anyway, I'm still exploring this. Maybe you can try with this trial access. There is one HANA trial access. There is a sign up for free trial. Let me try this. I have logged in to trial access. So you can also log in and create a trial account and try exploring. It is really amazing product, guys. Okay. Enter your trial account. You can explore. Yes, you can use the trial account. Okay, you can explore this. Okay, I'm also exploring this. If I get anything, I find usable, I'm going to share it with you. Okay, here complete details you have role, security. Okay, good guys. Back to presentation. Now you can explore. Here I have given adapters link. This is pre-packaged link, and here pricing link I have given. Okay. To conclude this, I would like to summarize what all the things we have done. So we have done CPI is a integration tool in the cloud in the in SAP Cloud Platform. So PO is a on-premise integration tool. Don't assume that CPI is the cloud version of PO. It's completely different. CPI is a IaaS. It is a infrastructure as a service from SAP used for both on-premise to cloud or cloud to cloud. CPI is combination of API, OData, Cloud Connector, and others. We have also checked on adapter support. Go through the link. CPI development is via reusable pre-packaged integration that we have already seen, but we need to explore. They, there are so many contents already available, and SAP is keep on updating this repository. So definitely we'll be having lots of content and development tools. We can use either Eclipse or Web UI. I'm not sure CPI is costlier than SAP PO. Yes, it's subscription basis, but we need to advantage is we can subscribe only whatever is required, not like PO. Advantage is CPA will get all the cloud benefits like auto upgrade, maintenance, high availability, disaster recovery, and multi-site facilities. Whereas PO and PI, we need to plan for everything. We need to plan upgrade, patching, the service pack implementation, and downtime, recovery, backup, everything we need to maintain. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and whole session. So I really enjoyed connecting with you. So I'm also exploring many more things in this CPI area. It's really interesting. So as and when I find something, I'll definitely come back to you with different videos. So meantime, please share it with others and go through the things and comment it and subscribe as well. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.